Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook name. So to learn it, watch this video till the end. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app. Then tap on this 3 lines at the upper right side. Now, scroll down a little bit. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. One thing you have to keep in your mind is that, if you change your Facebook name once, then you will not be able to change your Facebook name in 60 days. That means 2 months from today you will not be able to change your Facebook name again. I hope you understand the Facebook's rule. So once you're here, then tap on Personal and Account Information. Then tap on Name. Now here you have to type your Facebook name. In first box you gotta type your first name. Then in the second box type your middle name, but if you don't want to give your middle name, then leave this box empty. And after that in the third box type your last name. It's good to know that you must give your first name and last name, but there is no obligation to give a middle name. So after type your Facebook name, then tap on Review Change. Now here you gotta type your Facebook password. After type your Facebook password, then tap on Save Changes. Then you might be seeing an interface like this. Don't worry about it. Just go back your Facebook profile again. After open your Facebook profile, then swipe down to refresh it. After refreshing your Facebook profile, then you'll see your Facebook name has been changed. And here as you can see that my Facebook name has been changed. I hope you understand the full process. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Goodbye.